My name is Austin Childress. I am the Director of Education for Carabello Coffee here in Newport, Kentucky, and this video is brought to you by Roasty Coffee. Today, I'm going to tell you the difference between a macchiato and a cappuccino. These are two classic espresso drinks, two of my favorites actually. And the difference is just a little bit of steamed milk. So in a macchiato, you're going to have a 3-ounce beverage with 2 ounces roughly of espresso and then just a little dollop of foam that's been steamed put right onto the top of your macchiato. So macchiato in Italian just means to mark or to stain. So the idea is you're taking your espresso and just marking or staining it with a little bit of steamed milk. In a cappuccino, it's going to be a 6 to an 8-ounce beverage that has the same amount of espresso as a macchiato. So you're going to have about 2 ounces of espresso, and then you're going to steam your milk. You're going to aerate it so it's a little bit foamier than maybe something else you would get, the foamiest of all espresso drinks, and it's going to have a much more airy texture, and it's going to be almost double the size of a macchiato. So in this one, you're going to get espresso, and then a layer of kind of steamed milk, and then your foam will be on top of that. If it's made well, you should get that nice foamy texture throughout your entire cappuccino. So there you go. I hope that's helpful for you.